With so many different brands of mayonnaise out there, it's really hard to pick which one you want to buy. Some contain sugar, while others contain soybean oil. So today, I will show you how to make homemade mayonnaise, and it's very easy to make. We'll start with 6 eggs in cold water, and then we're going to boil them until it reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, we're going to place them in cold water for them to cool off. Then next, we're going to separate the yolks and place them in the food processor. Next, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of spicy brown mustard. And then we're going to blend it for about a minute or so. And then we'll add 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. You could turn it off or you could leave it running. It doesn't matter. I decided to turn mine off. And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. While it's moving, slowly pour the avocado oil in. And it will scrape down the sides and the lid. And then we'll continue to blend. And this is how yours should look like. It looks nice and thick. And here it is, your very own homemade mayonnaise. To me, it tastes better than any store-bought mayonnaise out there. And you know what's in it, so give it a try.